Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions of lesson number 3, that is metals and non-metals. Now see the first question. Aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which of the following properties of aluminium are responsible for the same? So let us see the properties first. Good thermal conductivity. Yes, this is responsible for making cooking utensils. Good electrical conductivity. No. Ductility is also incorrect. High melting point. Yes, it is responsible for making cooking utensils. So D is the correct answer. Good thermal conductivity and high melting point. Second question is, the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust is B part, aluminium. Third is, the poorest conductor of heat among metals is lead. Lead is the poor conductor of heat among metals. Fourth is, which property of metals is used for making bells and strings of musical instruments like sitar and violin? So this basically depends upon the sonority. So sonorousness is the property of metals used for making bells and strings. Next question is, aluminium oxide plus sodium hydroxide give rise to NaAlO2 plus H2O. So C is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is the correct arrangement of the given metals in the ascending order of their reactivity? This means firstly you have to write the least reactive, then more reactive, and then the most reactive. So zinc, iron, magnesium and sodium. So we have to arrange these four metals in the ascending order of their reactivity. So the least reactive is iron, then magnesium, then zinc, and at the end is sodium. Sodium is the most reactive metal. So C is the correct sequence or arrangement. Question number 7 is, which of the following pairs will give displacement reaction? So displacement reaction is basically the reaction in which the most reactive metal displaces the least reactive metal in its salt solution. So out of the given pairs, AgNO3 solution and copper metal will undergo displacement reaction because copper will displace Ag from its salt solution, that is from AgNO3. Now the next question is, non-metals form covalent chlorides because they can share electrons with chlorine. So B is the correct answer. So class, that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to continue with the MCQs of this chapter only.